The great aspect about hip replacement at Riverside is our team approach. We've got a team of doctors, nurses, and therapists to take care of you and really guide you through your hip replacement. We've got myself, my physician assistant, a nurse navigator. We have the Joint University to help explain what you're going to need to do before surgery, what happens in and around the time of surgery, and how you recover after surgery. We've got a unique program where we bring meds to the beds. We're going to get you your discharge medications before you leave the hospital. We're going to have you see a therapist before you leave the hospital. We're going to coordinate your therapist and care after the hospital, whether you do that at home or whether you need an inpatient facility or a skilled nursing facility. We at Riverside are going to take care of all of that. My technique for hip replacement has changed over the years. My incisions gotten smaller, the soft tissue handling's changed. Really, it's all in an effort to have a patient recover more quickly after surgery. The average patient is up and walking really immediately after surgery. We're going to get you up in the hospital, and that's vital. The average patient uses a walker for a week or two, maybe a cane for a week or two. By a month or so, they probably don't need that and they're walking on their own. And by 6 weeks, most patients are ready to get back to work. Full recovery after hip replacement can take a year because it takes time to build up the strength and the muscles about the hip to get back that great gait that you've probably lost in the year or so preceding surgery. So all that can take a little time, but really patients recover quickly after hip replacement. I think there's great value in having a hip replacement within the Riverside Health System. We offer the complete continuum of care. We offer all the labs, the radiology studies, the specialists that you may need to see before surgery or after surgery are all within our Riverside system. Really, today there's a way to get your hip replaced close to home and get world-class treatment right here at Riverside.